Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mrs Vee with some side income. If you want to see how I allocate my $197 that I made on side income, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're going to allocate this $197. I know it's not a lot of money, but we are thankful for everything that we receive over here on Mrs Vee's channel, and I want to show you the process, let you see how hard work will pay off, because I don't make a lot of money on my side income, because guess what, I'm not really applying myself, but right now it stops now. So I'm going to be more I'm going to get more serious about my YouTube channel, you know, putting the correct tags and playing around with the titles and doing more things with the analytics. And I'm also going to, you know, work on some sponsorships and some partnerships and all kind of stuff, and you know, work on getting more sales on my website. So yeah, Mrs Vee about to get serious. So I want to show you this video to show you that, you know, every little bit helps, and it's all about how you spend your money, how you allocate your funds. So this is my business binder, and I picked this up. This is my cute binder, and these are my cute envelopes that I got from Alla Shamika here on YouTube. So V Creations, and I got my little business plan wrote out right there. And then we're gonna allocate some money for marketing, supplies, taxes, and miscellaneous. So yeah, so we're gonna split that $197 up in no particular way, just depending on what I got going on. Marketing is the most important to me right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this 50 in marketing. And yeah, so my little cute see, I gotta pay for my intro. That budgeting just because just created, you saw it in the video, so check her out. She's on the For the Creator page. You just go to shop owners and go to her page. She does intros, outros, YouTube banners, anything, any of those things, and she does one-on-one. You know, just go check her out. She did a great job. I mean, I am pleased with my new short but to the point intro. So yeah, so I gotta put this in here. I'm not gonna put it in my cute. That's just for decorative purposes. I'm gonna put my money actually in these clear envelopes. So yeah. Alright, that's marketing. And then for supplies, I don't really need a lot of supplies. I'm trying to utilize what I already have, so I'm only going to do $40 for that one. So next we're going to do taxes. I'm gonna do 25%. Try that again. So that's about $50. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're gonna do 40. We're gonna do 47 for taxes. Yeah, I love to watch these videos where people are showing their side income, because that motivates me, and I'll be like, I gotta do better, because I gotta have more. Most of my money is going to paying my mortgage, so I gotta get serious about this side income. And the last but not least is in it miscellaneous. It's gonna get the last 60. So yeah, so you see, I did a lot with that $197. Stay tuned, God gonna work it out, baby. You're gonna be looking, Mrs Vee gonna be stuffing $11,900. Just keep watching. Watch him work. So yeah, so that's it. That's it for my little business binder. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.